Did you do this? Did you honestly think that you could hack my app and get away with it? This is called a taser, and I'm going to shove it so far up your phone. So, slight overreaction on my part. You see, the leaderboard actually says, nobody likes you, Dave. If you haven't noticed already, my name's not Dave. However, it could be the case that it's two separate people. One guy's called Dave, he's using an auto clicker, and the other guy's hacked me. But that does not change the fact that I was hacked. Let me explain why.
The game takes the current score and checks whether it's bigger than the high score.
Sorry, I've just realised that you've got absolutely no idea what the actual fuck is going on. The chances are you haven't even watched my previous video about the game, so let me explain. I made it over a year ago, and the entire gameplay loop consists of you, the player, clicking a button. Yeah, I know. Exciting stuff. Clicking the button increases your score, which is then displayed on a global leaderboard, on which there's been some, well, questionable names. To make the leaderboard, I used a free server called dreamlow.com. This allowed me to delete anyone using an auto clicker right off the leaderboard because A, it fucking annoyed me, and B, the game breaks when you reach 2,147,483,647 clicks, which is the largest integer the game can store. But I didn't realise that it could be hacked. Ever since this has appeared at the top of the leaderboard, I've been unable to delete users and remove them off of the game. I'm not even sure that new scores are being accepted by the server anymore, so that has screwed me right up. So I need to find an alternative solution. I'm going to put the Google inside the play. They have a built-in leaderboard mechanic, so I'm just going to utilise the code.
Hey, I'm glad you made it.
Alright, it's time for me to save this video from the depths of fucking hell again, and you know, I'm sure you don't want to listen to my drunken ramblings, so let's skip past this. So we've established that we're using Google Play's built-in leaderboard. Implementing this is pretty easy. We import a new plugin, initialize a login in the script that gets run when the user first opens the app, so you get something like this. When the leaderboard button is clicked, you guessed it, we show the leaderboard. But just before that happens, we also send the user's updated click score off to the server and pray that it updates in time. Send this all bundled off as an update to Google Play, and we're done.
This game is available on the Play Store, not iOS. I'm sure you know why.
Oh, hell no.
So to top this video off, I'll leave you with, a kind little message. Whoever chose to hack, use an auto clicker, whatever sort of magic you did, fuck you.